Hi, good morning friends and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. This is Manju here and today I am going to explain the Oracle table creating. But already table exists, so how you have to create the existing table, or you have to copy exactly the existing table, or you can say to back up the existing table with data and also without data. Okay, and then later we learn how you have to retrieve the maximum salary of employee. Whoever getting maximum salary, you can retrieve that employee's all the details. So let's begin the things. I logged into my SQL developer database, and here I am using SQL developer, and you can use SQL plus SQL developer, but this one is very easy to handle the things and practice purpose. So let us type the query here to create the existing table, just existing table, not the data. So already one table I have here, select star from employees. So this is what my table already exists. So I want to create one more table with the same structure. So you can say column names, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission percentage, manager ID and department ID. Like as this table is having structure, with same structure I want to create the table, but I don't want data. So how you can write the query? So you just follow this, create table. I can give table name here emp5 as select star from employees. So this create table is to create the table. The table name is emp5 as how we want to create the table, like select star from employees. We want to create the table as same as this one, employees table. Here you have to mention the false condition where 1 is equal to 2, because 1 is not equal to 2 always. We already know the mathematics. But if we mention here false condition, then data will not get copied, just the structure will get copied here. So press Ctrl Enter and then you will get the result like the table emp5 is created. So you just see here DESC, describe table emp5. So you do not include this table and press Ctrl Enter. You will see here the same structure is created without data. Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date. So as in employees table, the same structure is created, but it's not having any data. I can show you here. Select star from emp5. So Control Enter and you can see here the same structure of employees table is created here, but you do not have the data. So if you want data, you just remove this false condition and semicolon, Control Enter. So now you get, just a second. Okay, so this is what the thing is, employee 5 is already exist here, so I can remove this. Okay, drop this table first, drop table emp5. First I delete this table. Okay, so here it is, emp5 table is dropped, and now I create again, use this query to create. Okay, without any conditions. So now it is created. So you can see here the table emp5 is created, and then execute this one, select star from emp5. So you will get the structure and all the data like same what it is having in employees table. So this is what the thing we learned here, how to copy existing table as it is with data or without data. just you want to copy the structure, you can do that by using false condition, or else you can just create the table with all the data. So now we can see here how you can retrieve all the details of employee who is having more salary, maximum salary. So we just write the query here. So you can write the query here like select star from employees where salary equals to sub query starts here within parenthesis select max of salary from employees. So this is what the query goes like this. So you can see here first inner query will get executed. Okay, so select max of salary from employees table. From employees table it will select the maximum salary. This output is interact with outer query. So here it is select all the details from employees where the salary is equal to maximum salary, and this will display you, press Ctrl Enter, this will display you whoever having the maximum salary, that person, that employee details it will get fetch here. Okay, so you come to know how to fetch or retrieve the details of employee who is having maximum of salary. So here first inner query will get executed and give you maximum salary, and that will be where salary is equal to, you have to select all the details from employees table. So this is how you can use the query to retrieve the maximum salary. So in this video we learned how you have to copy or backup your table with data or without data, and also we learned here the maximum salary employee details, how to retrieve these things. So if you like this video, like it and share it, and kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel, so I can bring you more and more videos, interview queries, and ETL testing concepts. And for SQL developer and ETL testing perspective, the things is more valuable for interview purpose I can bring for you. So like the video, and so I will get motivated for the things to what I make here. So we will meet you in next video. Till that, bye bye, have a nice day, take care.